Hello everyone. Here is the brief demo on how our automated utility VRX ZMIG ACF2 migrates from security profiles from ACF2 to RACF. Of course, these two products are architecturally different. The way in which your ACF2 is organized, it's actually the RACF is maintained. The entire security definition will be maintained with the 4 different types of profile, which is user group, dataset, and general resource. Whereas ACF2, it's hardly, we can say, 3 different classification. The users related informations with logon IDs, which will have your user related information, their name, their password, their other information about the users, along with the other subsystems or TSO, other subsystem access, whatever they have. And there is another rule set which will define the profile definitions for data sets, and another profile definition which is of general resource rule set, which is a 3-character representation for any of the resources which is available across the system, which is other than the data set, like CICS transaction, IMS transaction, SDSF panel, etc. So these 3 major classification, in a way, the rule sets and the key roles have been defined. So those things have been taken in deep dive, and our extraction and automated utility has been defined in such a way to extract the complete details and get into the deep record level analysis with the record level understanding with which the key rules and the types. So everything have been consolidated with the mapping rule, and the transformation engine transforms or prepares the conversion program, which automatically converts your ACF2 resource definitions into RACF resource definitions, and which can be validated and tested. Later can be loaded into Racket database. As a quick POC, we have the details about the extraction. So how we are extracting. So these are utility which completely extract the ACF2 details, and which in turns converts your output is further sorted, and we are taking a deep dive into our record level understanding, and which in turn is preparing our the detailed outcome of our the required information in terms of logon IDs and rule sets. We are consolidating, and final outcome is about the conversion program generates your RACF definitions, RACF definitions for user along with your TSO segment, OMVS segment, etc. And of course, the resource definitions with the rule set. And if you look at the logon IDs of whatever is the number, we could able to convert the RACF definitions. So as a pilot POC, we could able to successfully demonstrate this for our requirements. And for more details, get in touch with the details have been given in the description section. Thank you.